How to get more Robux without spending real money. So if you want to get Robux without spending real money, you would need to create your game from where you will be able to earn Robux, right? So for that, what you can do is simply get into your Roblox just like this, log into your account. You'll be able to see create icon, create option. Simply click on that create option, and then from here, if you simply click on creations, now in here, what you're going to do is simply create a simple game. Click on create experience. Then if you do not have your Roblox Studio yet, you'll be required to download the application. Then from there, you can simply open your Roblox Studio. From here, you'll be able to create your own Roblox game, right? So after doing that, you can now add a game pass or develop product. Then you can publish it, share your game, and create clothing or accessories if eligible. So after doing that, you can now start earning Robux from the legitimate sales that you make from that particular game. So yeah, that is it. This is exactly how you will be able to get more Robux without spending real money. So lastly, I would highly recommend you guys staying out of all of these websites that says free Robux. I'm pretty sure that it's scam or generators. So yeah, that is it.